Hello everybody, I am TJ Bowser, and today I am at Diehl, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram of Butler to review the 2023 Dodge Challenger GT. The one I am in today is priced just over $28,500. It is the V6 model, and it has a 3.6 liter V6 making about 305 horsepower and 268 pounds of torque. That gets about 18 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway. This model has the leather wrapped steering wheel, the Alpine sound system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It has the 8-speed automatic transmission, the 7-inch infotainment system. Very nice build quality, and these performance cloth seats are heavily bolstered and hug you when you sit in them, and I really like this Dodge steering wheel. It's very, very cool. So let's turn on the lights and step outside. This Challenger is that red color. It has 20-inch aluminum rims. You come around the front here, you see that GT badging and that wonderful hood scoop. Those lights are freaking sweet. Come around here. Got a rear spoiler. Let's open up this trunk here. Pretty large trunk. Dual exhaust tips on the GT model. All-wheel drive. It's got a pair of Goodyear Eagle RSAs on them. Very nice tires. Very cool fuel door. So, let's hop in, take her for a drive. Buckle up for safety, folks. Okay. We're already running, so we'll put her in drive. Let's take our normal route. Pretty nice day out today here in the city of Butler, Pennsylvania. Starting to warm up a little bit. Spring is coming. My first time driving one of these new Challengers. So far, pretty cool experience. Let's see what the throttle response on this bad boy is. Oh yeah. Gotta love all the noises this one makes. Pretty smooth ride on the 23 Dodge Challenger. Very responsive brakes. For this being the V6 model, it has a lot of power still, and that all-wheel drive will definitely come in handy in those Pennsylvania winters. Like I said, it stops on a dime. Build quality is exceptional here. Dodge has really stepped it up in the last couple of years with their build quality. Nothing in here feels cheap whatsoever. We do have dual zone climate control and physical buttons. Let's go into sport mode here. Ah, there it is. So when you click sport mode, little green flag there shows up. Very cool. Ooh, definitely a little bit more responsive with the throttle in sport mode. I don't know, the exhaust note sounds a little bit different as well. Hope you folks are enjoying that binaural audio. Let's get in the left lane here. Handles around turns very, very well. Definitely lives up to the Dodge Challenger name. It's a very fun car to drive. American muscle. Is it American now? That's for you to decide. You got cruise control. You got some selectors here on the screen. Very cool. I'm a sucker for physical buttons. I love seeing that in new vehicles. Not a big fan of those haptic feedback buttons at all. Open up the sunroof on this bad boy. Very, very cool. Pretty loaded for the GT package, I must say. Little performance meter there. That's pretty neat. This vehicle is available at Diehl Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram of Butler. Like I said, it's just priced above 28.5. Very good price. 38.5, sorry. It's a very good price. Love the noises this Challenger makes. It's so cool. Gotta love where they put these dealer stickers at. thinking about traveling to our Grove City locations to do some Chevrolet and Cadillac videos, so expect some of those very soon coming to the Diehl Auto YouTube channel. And of course, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment in this video, and follow us for more point of view reviews and drive-alongs, because we got plenty more in store for you. As we head on back to the dealership. I just want to say thank you guys for joining me on another video. It's nice to see these videos getting the traction they are. Just gives me a reason to keep making them. Dodges do come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. So when buying a Stellantis product, keep that in mind. And of course, here we are at Diehl CDJR of Butler. I want to thank you guys again for joining me on this drive along video of the 2023 Dodge Challenger GT. I've been TJ Bowser. Thank you guys. Bye bye now.